Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very proud to let you know in our presentation for our hula hoop number 9 because we have 22 winners yesterday, and I invited a banker, a Swiss banker, to give us the names of those winners, and the person of Miss Beverly Tai. Good afternoon, Miss Tai.
Good afternoon.
Welcome again to our studio.
Oh yes, thank you very much for inviting me.
And I'm very happy that you came by to give me the names of those winners for our contest yesterday.
Sure, of course. First of all, I'm really glad I'm here again. I thank you for inviting me here. So this is the list for all the winners.
All right.
Congratulations for everyone.
Thank you very much. And we can open it up. Okay, I'm going to read all the winners yesterday. Pak Choi. These are all my Facebook friends.
Oh, okay.
Thousands of Facebook friends. Pak Choi, Angelina Chiburichi, Florimel Lopez, Joey Amy Fernandez, Cecil Varona Nazawa, Ana Mirazol, Marjorie Calderon, Gemma Duldulao, Ram Pelubelio, Maria Isabel Cruz, Ila Bayingan, Joan Crismar Gorospe, Rhea Hernandez, Evelyn De Latina Mission, J.R. Ramos, Jobe Santos, Diana Calpito, Cleopas Lagunda, ex-Junior Osorio, Shane Anzayville Verde, Dendi Uderiche Lancy, and Carlos Cuevas. Thank you and congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, here is our hula hoop number 9. Ano ang parte ng katawan ng tao na pinakamalinis at ito ay grade A? Ulitin ko. Ano parte ng katawan ng tao na pinakamalinis at ito ay nasa grade A? Grade A, kumbaga, A, B, C, nasa grade A. Or classification 1, 2, 3, nasa 1. So, grade A na pinakamalinis sa katawan ng tao. Thank you very much. Real time, magkikita-kita tayo sa ating Facebook mamaya. Mabuhay!